The eland is a large antelope species found in various parts of Africa. It's known for its distinctive appearance and impressive size, making it one of the largest antelope species in the world. Different subspecies of eland can be found across a wide range of habitats in Africa, including savannas, grasslands, woodlands, and even mountainous areas. They have adapted to various ecosystems and can be seen in both open areas and more wooded environments. Elands have had cultural significance for many African communities. They are often depicted in traditional art and folklore. In some cultures, the eland represents strength, vitality, and even spirituality. The color of eland coats can vary among different subspecies and populations. Generally, their coats range from tawny to reddish-brown, and they often have a lighter underbelly. In some cases, elands might have a bluish-gray tinge to their coats. Additionally, elands can have distinct vertical white stripes on their sides. These stripes can vary in prominence and number among individuals. The eland has a robust and sturdy build. They are one of the largest antelope species and exhibit sexual dimorphism, meaning there are noticeable differences between males and females in terms of size and features. Male elands, known as bulls, are larger and heavier than females. They have a more substantial body structure, with a pronounced dewlap, a loose flap of skin, hanging from their throats. This dewlap is more noticeable in males and plays a role in their vocalizations and social interactions. Male elands also have spiral-shaped, ridged horns that can be quite impressive in size, curving backward and then spiraling inwards. The horns can grow to be several feet long. Female elands, known as cows, are generally smaller and lighter than males. They also possess horns, although their horns are usually shorter and more slender compared to those of males. Female elands lack the pronounced dewlap seen in males. The size and weight of eland can vary depending on the specific species and subspecies. The common eland, shoulder height is around 1.5 to 1.8 meters. Body length is approximately 2.2 to 3.4 meters, and the weight is between 400 to 1,000 kilograms. The giant eland, shoulder height is similar to the common eland, around 1.5 to 1.8 meters. Body length is similar to the common eland, approximately 2.2 to 3.4 meters, and the weight is generally within the range of 400 to 1,000 kilograms. Elands can exhibit both solitary and social behaviors, depending on factors such as age, sex, and the availability of resources. Female elands and their offspring tend to form groups known as herds. These herds can consist of females, calves, and younger males. Older males, on the other hand, often lead more solitary lives. During mating seasons or when resources are abundant, you might find larger mixed groups of elands. Elands are known for their ability to jump high fences and obstacles. They possess powerful leg muscles that allow them to clear significant obstacles, making them difficult to contain within enclosures. This behavior has sometimes earned them the reputation of being jumping antelopes. Male elands, also known as bulls, are especially well known for their loud and deep roars. These roars are produced by the inflation and deflation of their dewlaps, which are the loose flaps of skin hanging from their throats. The dewlap acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying the sound and making it carry over long distances. The roaring serves multiple purposes, including establishing dominance, attracting females, and maintaining territory. The sound is often described as a low-pitched, rumbling roar that can be heard from a considerable distance. Elands also produce clicking and grunting sounds as part of their communication. These sounds are used in various social contexts, such as maintaining contact with other members of the herd or signaling alarm. Clicking sounds are made by snapping the tongue against the roof of the mouth, while grunts can convey different emotions or intentions. Within herds, elands use contact calls to stay connected with each other. These calls help members of the group locate one another when they are separated in their search for food or water. Elands are herbivores with a diverse diet that includes a range of plant materials. Their feeding habits can adapt to the available vegetation in their habitat, and they are often considered browsers, meaning they consume a variety of plant species. Grasses make up a significant portion of the eland's diet. They are a reliable source of nutrients and energy, especially in grassland and savanna habitats. Elands graze on a variety of grass species, selecting those that are most nutritious and palatable. Elands are also known to feed on leaves from shrubs and trees. This browsing behavior allows them to access a wider range of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, compared to a strict grass diet. Depending on the season and the habitat, elands may also consume fruits, berries, and other plant parts that provide additional nutrients and moisture. Elands may consume the leaves and twigs of shrubs and bushes, especially when other food sources are scarce or during certain times of the year. While not a part of their diet in the same way as plants, elands need access to water for hydration. They are capable of surviving for extended periods without water, but they will readily drink when water sources are available. The breeding season for elands varies based on geographic location and environmental factors. In some regions, it occurs during specific times of the year when resources are more abundant. Breeding seasons might coincide with the rainy season when food and water sources are more readily available. During the breeding season, male elands, known as bulls, become more active and engage in various behaviors to attract females. They use their distinctive vocalizations, including deep roars produced by inflating and deflating their dewlaps, to establish dominance and announce their presence to females. Male elands establish territories during the breeding season and actively defend these areas from rival males. They might engage in physical contests, such as horn sparring, to establish dominance and gain access to females. Female elands, known as cows, have the freedom to choose their mates. They are attracted to males based on factors like size, strength, and the quality of the male's territory. A dominant male with a well-established territory is more likely to attract and mate with multiple females. After mating, the gestation period for elands is approximately 9 months. Female elands give birth to a single calf, which is typically born in a secluded area. Calves are precocial, meaning they are relatively developed and capable of standing and walking shortly after birth. The timing of calving can be influenced by factors such as food availability and environmental conditions. In some regions, calving might be synchronized with the peak of the rainy season, ensuring that young calves have access to abundant food resources. Female elands invest a lot of effort into raising their calves. They are protective of their young and often isolate them from the herd for a period after birth. This behavior helps reduce the risk of predation. Calves are nursed by their mothers for several months before gradually transitioning to solid foods. After a few months, they become more independent and start accompanying their mothers within the herd. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.